Spiritual evolution and learning is like an inverted pyramid. It starts with a single point of learning and knowledge, and it grows and grows and grows until you build knowledge upon knowledge, learning upon learning, and wisdom upon wisdom. This happens through connecting with the inner self, working with outer teachers and guides, and embracing the wisdom of practice and experience. This is how we grow an inverted pyramid of spiritual self. Frequency increases as we learn and grow and practice, integrating all of the learning that we have learned and all of the knowledge that we have gained is what increases frequency and moves us into higher realms and dimensions where we can have greater experiences exploring the cosmos. To that end, I've created a series of mini workshops called the Foundation. This is the single point upon which that inverted pyramid will rest. This foundation is meant to create a baseline of frequency in those who will be progressing further into their spiritual knowledge and initiation through the soul patterning, harmonics, ascension energy work, and then later working with and healing earth grids. The basis of this foundation are these 4 classes: connecting to the higher realms, higher consciousness healing, navigating change from a spiritual perspective, and the love connection, the secret ingredient. These classes are easy to come into, easy to learn, and going to be a lot of fun. We will learn together, we will grow together, and we will expand together. The Galactics will have a message for each class. We'll do a meditation guided by them. And each participant will have the opportunity to ask questions and receive messages. I hope you'll join me as we begin the foundation and move on to greater teachings, greater experiences, and higher frequencies.